reporting live for Biz Asia. It's time to introduce you, or in fact, this voice needs no introduction. It's about a legend, a singer that we broke the news of earlier this February about his concert being brought to the UK after such a long time. His concert has been in anticipation, and he's left us 5 years ago. He was here and has left us yearning for more. Rock On Events proudly brings to you a voice that, as I said, needs no introduction. A voice that has won numerous awards, including a Padma Shri, and a singer and a legend who began singing at the age of 11, determined to succeed, and continued ultimately until he found his destiny in ghazals. He's known for his amazing hits जैसे चिट्ठी आई है, चांदी जैसा रंग है तेरा, और ऐसे कलाकार जिनके हर शब्द इस अदा से अर्ज करते कि हर मौसीकी चाहने वालों को छू जाती है दिल में. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you the first time since announcing his concert in the UK, legendary Pankaj Udhas. Thank you so much for joining Biz Asia.
Good afternoon to me, and a very good morning to you, Rishi, and all the music lovers in UK, especially in the Leicester area, and very, very good afternoon to you. Good morning to you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, bolo. Good morning. सबको कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा क्योंकि because ever since we broke the news, we didn't give anyone more information from Biz Asia because we wanted the shocking news to sink in, because this was unexpected. Because you were here not so long ago, and it's at such a great time. You were celebrating 35 years of being in the industry.
Yes. No, in fact, that's one of the reasons why. In fact, we have plans of. I remember I came to UK on the occasion of celebrating my 25 years after I had completed my 25 years. But this time around, when I'm celebrating 35 years of my singing, I thought that why not start the celebrations from UK.
बिल्कुल, एंड और लेस्टर से और यूके से तो आप वाकिफ ही हैं.
जी बिल्कुल. Leicester would be the first concert in this series for sure.
4 April को, not that people don't know because everyone's going crazy, and this is the first time they're getting to hear your voice. Though, it's been 35 years, as we said. What exactly, I'm sure any music lover or musician or anyone out there is in shock and disbelief कि आप ऐसे ही energy से अभी भी perform कर रहे हैं. What keeps Pankaj Udhas ji going?
I think it's my passion for this particular form of music, and for any artist, I think the most important of all is the audience, is the response from the audience. I've been rather very, very fortunate कि जिस तरह से लोगों ने मुझे प्यार दिया है. So much people have given me so much of love and affection कि उस वजह से मैं शायद आज भी I am all the time actually looking forward, and जैसे कि मैं अभी कुछ देर पहले बात कर रहा था कि this particular tour to UK, मैं बिल्कुल छोटे बच्चे की तरह हो रहा है कि I'm so excited to come to UK on an occasion like this, and especially to celebrate 35 years of my singing career. So मैं समझता हूँ कि it will be really wonderful to come to UK. Yes.
बिल्कुल, आपने सही फरमाया. और माफ करना मेरी हिंदी नहीं, आपके सामने तो और भी कच्ची हो जाती है, गुलाबी हो जाती है, क्योंकि आप तो शब्दों के माहिर है, लेजेंड है. लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगा क्योंकि आप लोगों से ही तो सीखा है मैंने हिंदी. थैंक यू पंकज उदास जी. I keep calling you पंकज उदास जी. आपके चाहने वाले आपको क्या बुलाते, घर पे क्या बुलाते आपको? ये अगर आप I don't think people know.
I think I am addressed as Pankaj by everyone, and
that's a name you prefer.
Yeah, most of the people whom I know, they either call me Pankaj ji or Pankaj or whatever.
चलो मैं पंकज उदास जी बुलाता हूँ और ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है दिल को. और हाँ, वही हम बोल रहे थे कि कॉन्सर्ट 35 years हो गए, और इस वजह से Leicester is very special to you. De Montfort Hall is very special to you. And
oh yes, बल्कि De Montfort Hall जो है वहाँ पे when I toured UK for the first time, मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे पहला जो टूर था UK का, तो उस टूर पे मैंने मेरा प्रोग्राम हुआ था एट De Montfort ऑडिटोरियम. एंड तब से लेके मैं बराबर वहाँ आता रहा हूँ. So De Montfort, it's like a cricketer. When a cricketer plays on a ground, and he scores a century on that ground, obviously he gets attached to that particular ground. तो मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा हिसाब है कि जब भी मैं De Montfort पे मैंने गाया तो मैंने जरूर सेंचुरी लगाई है. So I guess I'm attached to that auditorium like a cricketer. That for me it's an auditorium where I really enjoy with the audience. It's mainly because of the audience. The audience there is so very encouraging. It's so very supportive, and it's so inspiring, the audience there. कि आप दिल करता है कि और कुछ गाओ और अच्छा गाओ. So I guess that's the key to De Montfort. Yes.
Absolutely, और ये नजर भी आता है जब भी आप परफॉर्म करते हैं. I've not been fortunate enough to attend all your concerts, but Leicester has been fortunate enough to attend quite a few of your concerts, and especially now they're looking forward to it. What are you most looking forward to perform? Of course, एक गाना तो चूज नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ऐसा तो कोई खास गाना होगा जो आपके जहन में आए कि ये गाना जब मैंने गाया था तब ये धमाल हो चुका था.
बल्कि मैंने एक what I've done is कि मैंने एक पूरा एक कॉन्सेप्ट तैयार किया है. Where I am touching all the aspects of my journey of 35 years. तो 35 साल का जो ये सफर है पूरा, उसके बारे में. So I actually want to, I've created a different kind of a show. And when I come, this show will be so very different from the regular show which people listen to. So it will positively have elements of my journey, some anecdotes about my life, about my experience in the last 35 years, and also a selection which would be starting from 1980, from my first album till my latest, which is Sentimental, which is released about 4 or 5 months back. It's going to be a wonderful combination of good, old, new. I would positively keep in mind, which I have done that when we started rehearsals for the concert, that we would positively have some numbers which are obviously always requested by the audience. So it's going to be a great mix of old, new, and some numbers which are always requested.
It does sound like a complete nostalgia of 35 years to be summed up in one concert. That's a concert I think people shouldn't miss. And Leicester में गुजराती लोगों की बहुत ज़्यादा presence है, और हम we don't get to listen to you speak Gujarati very often. I believe you have a Gujarati background.
Yes, Rishi. I am a Gujarati, and मैंने बल्कि एक गुजराती एल्बम भी किया है.
बिल्कुल, वो तो हमने सुना ही है, लेकिन एक छोटी सी फरमाइश है. હું પણ ગુજરાતી છું. આપણા ગુજરાતી ભાઈઓ બહેનો વાસ્તે જેને મોકો નથી મળ્યો પહેલા કોન્સર્ટમાં આવવા વાસ્તે, એને ગુજરાતીમાં પણ થોડાક શબ્દો પ્લીઝ.
નહીં, ચોક્કસ. બલ્કि ગુજરાતી જો કે હું ઓછું ગાઉં છું, સ્ટેજ પર નથી ગાતો ગુજરાતી વધારે, પણ
અહીંયા તો મને લાગે છે તમને ગવાડશે.
બધા ખૂબ આપણા ગુજરાતી મિત્રો છે, તો I'll positively કોશિશ કરીશ કે કઈ ગુજરાતી પણ સંભળાવી શકું.
પંકજજી, it's been, you're in the news for so many things, not only your ghazals, but for being a mentor, for being a genuine person in the industry that we don't get to see. And आज तक भी जब जॉन इब्राहिम का नाम लिया जाए और या तो गूगल किया जाए, तब आपका चेहरा साथ ही साथ आता है. अब तब से लेके जब से वो आपकी वीडियो में आए थे और अब तक, do you think he's done you proud? Because he always gives you credit.
Oh yes, in fact it was very sweet of him. अभी ये मेरा एक album last year, in fact 2013 I had one album which was called Dastakhat, and we had John Ibrahim come and launch the album, and I had invited him, and it was very sweet of him when he turned around and said that I look up to Pankaj as my mentor, as someone who has really helped me out, and I was really touched because of by his humility, that he was so humble, and he in fact acknowledged that he started his career with me, and so it makes you feel wonderful, I'm sure, and I'm really happy for him. Yes.
Yeah, that's why I brought this up. Is it's become such a different time since the time you started, and all these through 35 years. The way music has been performed. जैसे आपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि तब के ज़माने में you had to take a month, or they had to 100 बार सोचना पड़ता था, और अब तो सुबह कोई गा लेता है रिकॉर्ड और शाम को रिलीज भी हो जाता है. लेकिन ऐसे कोई आवाज जो आपकी दिल को छू गई हो और आपको लगे हाँ ये he's on the right path. ऐसे कोई सिंगर या कलाकार की आवाज?
I think in today's time, if you're asking me about the contemporary era, I think आज के दौर में the singers whom I like very much are I like Shreya Ghoshal's style of singing because she does sing from her heart, and she is very expressive. She has a beautiful voice, and she has a great expression. So I would certainly say that she is one artist who really impresses me.
Pretty sure it'll be a pleasure when she hears this. And yes. Do we get to see you collaborate, because you're known to give ghazal a different era? You made them
I'm
so
certainly
popular.
I'm certainly looking at doing a couple of experiments this year. And I'm sure be prepared to listen to something like that for sure.
And you're not allowed to give us any more information on what collaborations.
No.
मैंने सोचा हम exclusively ढूंढ लेते. No, but we're happy that we're exclusively having this interview today. Early on, you joining us at BizAsia, because we've been following all the Rock On events, and this is one of the most awaited event that we were most looking forward to. तो सब जानना चाहते हैं, will it be traditional माहौल होगा जैसे पहले गजल गाया करते थे, या will it be some of the popular songs that you made some pop albums, but you've given us a slight insight.
Since you call yourself Rock On event, I can guarantee you that it's going to be a rocking concert.
क्या बात है Pankaj Das ji. It's such a pleasure, and I'm sure everyone will be thrilled they've heard it straight from your side. What to expect, what not to expect.
Sure.
in
I'm
the show.
really looking forward. Yes.
I'm sure ये नजर आता है. मैंने कहा बस एक दो आखिरी ख्वाहिश है, and let's remind everyone why we loved you in the first place with the songs. या तो please एक गाना अगर आप गा सकते हैं.
लाइनें मैं आपको सुना देता हूँ. एक बहुत प्यारा सा गीत है उसकी.
बिल्कुल.
और this goes especially for all the beautiful ladies there back in Leicester. I'm being a little biased, but
नहीं गुड़ खा के मर जाएंगे, कोई गल नहीं.
It goes like this. ना कजरे की धार, ना मोतियों के हार, ना कोई किया सिंगार, फिर भी कितनी सुंदर हो, तुम कितनी सुंदर हो.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. And this is, I mean, I had to make you do this. आपसे बात करने का फायदा तो हम उठाना ही चाहते हैं, और it feels personally that you're singing for us, and it's a very special song. Ye song is one of the most requested on most radios, so I'm sure people will be we'll be looking forward to a lot more songs. And let's koi aakhri shabd for all those people looking forward to a concert on the 4th of April.
I would only say this, that as I said earlier, that Leicester has a special place in my heart when it comes to UK, and I'm really looking forward to celebrate 35 years of my journey with those wonderful people there.